Hello future hackers! In this video, we're going to dive into Figlet, an amazing command line tool that allows you to create large text banners using ASCII art. Figlet is a tool that transforms regular text into large ASCII art, making your text stand out in terminal or command line interfaces. It's super useful for adding style to your scripts, making banners, or just having fun with text. To start, open your terminal. Let's try it out. To create a simple banner, type Figlet Future Hackers. When you press enter, you'll see the text transformed into a beautiful ASCII art banner. Simple and impressive. Let's try one more and then explore some features of Figlet. Figlet comes with several fonts to style your banners. To use a specific font, type Figlet F Slant Future Hackers. This will make your text slant. This will display your text in a slanted style. Experiment with different fonts to create unique banners. To center the text, type this command. Sometimes the text may look stretched or cut off due to the terminal's width. You can adjust the width of the Figlet banner using the W option. For example, Figlet W100 Hello Future Hackers. Here, W100 sets the banner's width to 100 characters, making it fit neatly in the terminal. This is the default size in Figlet. Let's reduce the size and see the result. That's all for Figlet on Kali Linux. It's a handy tool for making your terminal output or script stand out. Give it a try and have fun creating cool banners.